Welcome to the Community Legal Center's How to File for Divorce informational video for pro se litigants with minor children. Filing for divorce in Shelby County, Tennessee may be a little different than filing in other Tennessee counties. In Shelby County, there is a divorce referee's office. The divorce referee's office will review every complaint for divorce prior to the litigant filing with the clerk's office. For our purposes today, we will explain the process of filing a simple complaint for divorce with children. Once the pro se litigant has completed the complaint for divorce and has it notarized, the pro se litigant will then take the complaint for divorce to the divorce referee's office located in room 327 of the Shelby County Courthouse. The complaint for divorce will be reviewed by the divorce referee or an assistant divorce referee, and after it has been approved, the pro se litigant will then be instructed to file the divorce with either the Circuit or Chancery Court Clerk's office. Both Circuit and Chancery Court have the ability or jurisdiction to hear divorce cases. If the pro se litigant is instructed to file in Circuit Court, the pro se litigant will go to room 224, and if the pro se litigant is instructed to file in Chancery Court, the pro se litigant will go to room 308. After arriving at the court clerk's office, the pro se litigant will then file the complaint for divorce, the marital dissolution agreement, and the confidential divorce information document. The pro se litigant will pay the filing fee. At this point, the pro se litigant has filed for divorce and may now set a court date. The court date may be set after the 90-day mandatory waiting period has passed. The court clerk may either assist the pro se litigant with setting the final hearing date, or the pro se litigant may go to the court clerk's website and set the hearing date. Regardless of how the court date has been set, the pro se litigant is responsible for filing and providing a notice of hearing form to the other spouse, letting the spouse know when and where the final hearing will take place. At this point, the pro se litigant has successfully filed for divorce. Here is a little additional information about what to expect after the pro se litigant has successfully filed for divorce. While each courtroom may operate a little differently due to pandemic procedures, here are a few post-filing tips. Please have your agreed permanent parenting plan ready, meaning that it should be filled out with the child support worksheet attached or the attested copy of the juvenile court order of child support and child support worksheet attached. The permanent parenting plan will have to be reviewed by the divorce referee and approved by the court. Both spouses should have completed a parenting class and filed their certificate of completion of the class with the court clerk's office. Court-approved parenting class provider information may be found on the court clerk's website. Each party can expect to pay approximately $60 to $75 to attend a parenting class. The pro se litigant must have a final decree of divorce ready for the day of hearing. The final decree will have a certificate of service that must be filled out and states that a copy of the final decree shall be mailed to the other party. The 4D demographic sheet and cost bill will also need to be filled out and provided. Those forms can be found on the court clerk's website. Finally, in the event that the divorce is successfully filed but the divorce is not approved, please listen closely to what the court says. Oftentimes, though the divorce was not granted that day, if the parties are still in agreement and are willing to follow the court's direction as to what needs to be changed in order for the divorce to be approved, the remedy may be as simple as resetting the court date and coming back with either an amended marital dissolution agreement, signed and notarized by the parties, attaching the child support worksheet, taking a parenting class, or having the final decree.